This 2021 Forest River Wildwood 29 VBUD2 BDRM slide, rear bunkhouse bike door is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, external shower, auxiliary battery, Skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Wildwood 29 VBUD2 BDRM slide, rear bunkhouse bike door is 7,528 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.